elevate Manila International Fashion Week to global height. So let's start with, I would like to call on ESY Runway Productions, headed by Emily C. from the United States of America. And of course, representing Russia's Moda Polos, we have Tatiana Medina. Championing international business relations, we have Amerigo Tatel of B2B. Amerigo. Our ever-stylish MW ambassadors, we have Risa Obel Dormiendo. And of course, Miss Lynn Bautista. Thank you so much. And of course, I would like to personally thank our partners from media, our sponsors, and of course, everyone who support our advocacy. So I would like also to acknowledge the presence of the Ambassador to the Philippines of Laos. Thank you so much. Ambassador to the Philippines from Indonesia. The Ambassador from Malaysia. Thank you so much. And of course, Ambassador from Russia. Spasibo. Thank you so much. Mabuhay.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ben.